Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get iPhone out of zoom mode. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If your iPhone is stuck in zoom mode, where everything on the screen appears magnified, here are some ways to disable it. Open the Settings app. You may need to use the three-finger. Double tap to navigate if the screen is magnified. Go to the Accessibility, Zoom. Make sure toggle zoom off. Another method is the Force Restart. Force restart your iPhone if the zoom feature is unresponsive. iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus. Hold both the volume down button and the sleep wake button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6s and earlier. Hold both the home button and the sleep wake button until the Apple logo appears. These steps should help you disable zoom mode and return your iPhone to its normal display. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.